We've had holes in pockets, holes in gloves, quite a lot of torn linings in jackets. People seem to like climbing over barbed wire fences.
Good morning and welcome to another edition of Climate Yarns. Today we're here at Blyde Welcome and we're talking to the Repair Café and looking about how we can repair and mend things and do a bit of sewing today.
Hi, I'm Katie Hatfield and I volunteer for the Repair Café.
Brilliant! Can you tell us a little bit more about the Repair Café and when it started?
Sure, yeah, we started here in the end of October last year and it's part of an international setup of repair cafes, and Celia, who runs Blyde Welcome, thought that it would be something that we could offer locally in Shetland and asked me, bizarrely, to do some of the sewing. And it's been running fortnightly since then, and we've had some great success, I think. We've had some lovely people coming in to see us with some different and exciting projects, and it's been a great sort of venue for just meeting people and putting people in touch with other ideas and signposting them as well.
So Katie, could you tell us a little bit about the type of items that we're seeing coming through the door here?
It's been a big mixture. It's mostly been clothes. We've had quite a lot of taking hems up on skirts and dresses and jeans. We've had holes in pockets, holes in gloves, quite a lot of torn linings in jackets. People seem to like climbing over barbed wire fences. We've had a few broken zips, and I hate zips, so I've taught myself how to mend zips by using pliers rather than a sewing machine. Okay. So we've had 2 of those this morning, so that's quite good fun. We've done one item of furniture, which was recovering a footstool, which was a great project that involved several people in the end, so that was great.
So I'm Celia from Blyde Welcome, and I own Blyde Welcome.
Brilliant. Thank you very much for joining us today. Could you tell us a bit about the Repair Café and the connection to the local Alzheimer's branch?
Yeah, certainly. So my husband was a builder and a joiner and loved doing up things. He always had a project on the go, and he also did lots of little jobs for friends and neighbours. And then in 2018 he was diagnosed with Alzheimer's, and the local group here were absolutely fantastic. We got so much support. And then unfortunately, sadly, he passed away last year. I heard about the Repair Café and I thought this would be such a fitting thing to do in his memory. He would be so chuffed that we're repairing, maybe not joinery items, but we are carrying on the spirit of repair. So he would be absolutely delighted. And in the first 3 sessions, we raised over £300 for the local branch. So we were really, really overwhelmed by that. And everybody's been so generous and so supportive.
So we open on alternate Thursdays between 10 and 1. And yeah, come along. If you don't come along at 5 to 1 with a complicated job, because we'll not be able to get it done, but yeah, come along with anything else and we'd be delighted to see people.
That's brilliant. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining us for another edition of Climate Yarns.
Thank you.